lang pag umalis. Parang luwa, kailangan mo. Ay, magmula lang. Kaya, ano tayo nila? Kahit ayaw mo na. Kahit ayaw mo na. Jake. Sumihi ako. Subukan pa yung sabihin.
Ay, nakalagay. Gorgeous!
One, seven,
Ano ko yan? Spay na. Malakas.
1, 7, giraffe here.
0, 0, 2,
Ayan. Wala ko may step by step. This is kahit ayaw mo niya. Kahit ikaw ay magalit, sa'yo lang lalapit, sa'yo lang aamin. Kahit na ikaw ay nagbago na, iibigin pa rin kita, kahit ayaw mo na. Tatakbo sisi, nagsasigaw ang pangalan mo. Iisipin na lang panaginip lahat ng ito. O bakit pa kailangan pag umalis? Pakiusap lumuwag ka nang lumingit. Tayo matulog, teka lang, ikayo nito. Huwag mo kong iwan, aayusin natin ito. Dahil hindi na ayaw mo na, pero pinagsipan mo ba? Lapit na lapit, aking lalapit, layo na layo. Pagka naman ayaw, labo mo na labo, ikay malabo, malabo, tayo na labo. Bumalik, ako di ka rin aalis, patabo ka na mabilis, yayagapin ng maipit. Ang hirap pala, di mo alam ang iyong pupuntahan. Kung ako ba ay pagbibigyan, o nalilig ko lang kung saan. Tatakbo na talon, sisigaw ang pangalan mo. Isipin na lang panaginip lahat ng ito. O bakit ba kailangan pa umalis? Pakiusap mo at teka lumiit. Tayo'y mag-unap, teka lang, tayo ito. Huwag mo kong iwan, aayusin natin to. Daling sabihin na ayaw mo na, pero pinag-isipan mo ba? Lapit na lapit, layo, magkalumarayo, labo, ika'y malabo, tayo malabo, lapit na lapit, layo, magkalumarayo, malabo, o bakit ba kailangan pa umalis? Pakiusap mo huwag ka na lumiit. Tayo mag-unap ay kalangit kayo ito. Huwag mo kong iwan na ayusin natin ito. Daling sabihin na ayaw mo na, pero pinag-isipan mo ba? Ikaw ay magaling, sa'yo lang malaki, sa'yo lang.
Mali. Mali ako. Makaboring to ah. Uy, 100. Nice.
Pinahanap mo.
Ganyan.
Kumag ka na.
1, 5, 1, 6, 1,
Ay, mali. Paano to?
0, 1, 5, 1, 8, 1,
Go away, girls.
Understand you got better love in an English man. I love her bird that knows so so weak. I can feel it in the bottom of the people think.
Sige, kami yan. Siguro, kami.
Raise a feeling in an Irish man, feel like love in an English man. Kiss her, make a better to my head. Baby, you just wanna dance with my pretty little girl. Hey, girl. Oh, my, girl, hey, girl. My girl, hey, girl. Girl, hey, girl. Holding her, would you mind? I go so great to the wicked vibe. Something in the night. Go home, get a shit inside the place. one. I swear I'll do top of my girl, girl, the perfect night. So please don't feel that I expect to fall in love with a good man.
Ano kaya tawag doon? Night games. That's not it.
Look at my baby, go away, girl. Mama, 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 go away, girl. Mama, 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 girl away, girl. Mama, 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 girl away, girl. La 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 la.
Saka siguro.
Talking to the going out tonight, changing with the sun.
Ano ka na, Ben? Gusto mo, Ben?
Ha? Ako muna, nag-change sa akin. Gusto ko lang, pangalan. Never gonna give you up. Nothing like never gonna give you up. One, three, one, three, one, two, six. One, three, one, two, six. Ano kaya? Ano pa kasi? Understand.
Talking to the moon, trying to get to you. In hopes that you're talking to me too. Oh, I'll never fall.
Saan ba this na parang? Ay! Record mo.
Okay, di ko makita na kayo. Ano ba? Ano ba ganyan? We don't talk anymore.
Ay! Ay, mo ito anymore.
Yeah, I've got mine, but you wanna know, 'cause we're
Understand.
someone's talking back. Yes, it's talking back. Oh, the never-ending song that's all about you. I
kasi kinalin yan. Kasi nahawakan. Ano ba tayo niyo? Wala. Diba? Masasaya sa pag... Yung tayo nila kanina? Oo. Ano tayo nila? Ay, well. Ano number? Kung nga alam.
Go out tonight, telling it to something where her mother doesn't love the girl, does everything that she can let her. You shall be known. Driving to a fan, won't you bring it to my hand? It's something that you wanna share, having no regret. That's all that she really wants. Forgetting all the baby, I've been thinking about you lately. Doesn't ever die to baby. That's how fast it might the day that I can go again. This is better I'm afraid of even when the night is changing. I will never think
Ito pa.
as you. He's waiting, you're the cigarette is hurting me now. The something you feel is stuck and it's not.
Gumawa ko na sa ritong lyrics.
To a fact that nothing on the skin. She's falling
Akala ko lugaw.
dust and nothing.
Ligaw pala.
Wala ligo dito.
Akala ko nga lugaw. Ah.
I've been thinking about you lately.
Ah.
Baby, just over tonight, the day that I think I'm going for me up. It's a pretty girl with your makeup. That you'll be afraid of. The night, the day that I will never change me and you. Story of my life. Wala.
Oo, di mo. Di mo kabilis eh.
Going out tonight, changing it to something right. Her mother doesn't let the gun judges. You can be the piece and piece of that thing you know. Don't get it all, baby. Don't be about to lady. Doesn't every job you bring it. That's how fast the night that changes. Everything I got when you're in it. Disappear when you wake up. There's nothing to be afraid of. Even when the night the danger, it will never change, baby. It will never change, baby. It will never change me and you.
Ay, yes.
Ayun na. Papakita ang kata 100. Sumakit ang 100 Matthew.
100 na papakita ako.
Yung 100 tayo ah. Ako niya. Ah! Bakit ako?
I wanna follow where you go. Cause you know I wanna let it take control. Now take the time to see it closer. Don't be enough to keep me guessing. Maybe I can stop and start confessing. Confessing now. Oh, I was dreaming, but love with crazy, you take all my ambition. Baby, there's nothing holding me back. You take my place instead of my reputation. Manipulate my decision. Baby, there's nothing holding me back. Ano ka naman sa mga dito?
Sumayaw ka sila.
Ay ma, ay ma. Maano na ka naman? Sumayaw. And I should have not afraid. And everybody knows I'm broken. She doesn't really want to wait. It's a validation. Pulls me down to keep me guessing. Oh, maybe I'll just start confessing. Oh, I've been seeking my love. Jingle my ambition. Baby, there's nothing holding me back. You took my place and I tear up my reputation. Manipulate my decision. Baby, there's nothing holding me back. There's nothing holding me back. Be alright, no, we'll be alright. 'Cause I want you to be the fire, be alright. To be the lion to the top my side, stumble in the dark. Be alright, to be alright. Oh, I've been shaking my life, baby, going you crazy. You take all my ambition, baby. There's nothing holding me back. You get my place, it's a tear of my reputation. And you make my decision, baby. There's nothing holding me back. Oh, 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 oh. There's nothing holding me back. I feel so free when you're with me, baby. Baby, there's nothing holding me back. Awitin ka na ba yan? Ano ba yan? Ano? Awitin?
Nilagay ko na din.
Yung ano, awitin?
Awitin. Tanggalin na yung wow.
Sumay, sumayaw ka sa kitatang.
Pakailangan mo.
Kuya Jack, magkano to?
200 plus.
And I'll be gone tonight. You'll probably make my feelings so wide. The way that I've been holding on to tight, nothing in between. The story of my life, I'll take her home. I drive all night to keep her warm and tight. It's frozen. The story of my life, I give her all. Spend the love, it's broken down. Story of my life. This was the colors that in this name.
Siyempre bata, maliit lang siya.
Ay, hindi siya pang bata.
Leave my heart open, but stay right there in the cage.
Ano ba? Lang.
I know we in the morning now. I see the light of down the hill. Oh, I'm broken, my heart is not safe still. But I'll be gone The story of my life.
Bakit na pagpipili yan? Bakit ba napili? Hindi ka pumili. Ay, siguro muna tayo.
Usap ko ba sir?
Masa po ba?
The story of my life.
Bakit kinausap niyo si Sir? Kinausap niyo si Sir?
The story of my life. For this time to come around.
Baba ka naman tayo.
It's like chasing the ground.
May naka-arbor nito.
Story of my life. I take your home.
Eh, bumili ako. Akala ko ganito kalaki. Labasan liit.
The war is
Parang yan
done.
namin pinapakita na may bili sa tantali.
One, two, three. Story of my life. Never wanting her home. Better love. The story of my life. The story of my life. The story of my life. The story of my life.
Ah,
Ano lang yan? Sumabay-sumayap ka sa
wala, Andre. Ah, mas mabait ka kasi.
Sumabay-sumayap. Ano lang yan?
Hindi naman yung maliit.
Story of my life.
Alam niyo kung ano.
Awitin mo. Ano ba yan?
Ayun.
Tali mo lang talikod niya. Walang ipagpasarap sa pagtitingin natin.
Ate?
Sana ay di na mapagkas itong awit ng pag-ibig sa awit natin. Ay huwag na huwag mong kalimutan. Pangako ko naman, palagi kang mag-iingat. Magpagkailanman.
Ito kayo nasa tono.
Ang isang pag-ibig
Yun, tawagan niya.
ay parang nasangan
Ginalitin ng mga
ang panlalawahan. Kaya sa ating awit tayo ay magbigayan. Awitin mo ang isang yoko. Awitin mo ang isang yoko. Walang ibang pagsasarap sa pagtitingin ng nakikita mo. Ay, tawag mo.
Awa lang yun.
Awit natin ay huwag mo kalimutan. Pangako ko naman, palagi ka makikinggan.
Oh, kasama ko si ate.
Magpagkailanman. Ang isang pag-ibig ay parang nasa tinginan natin.
Ganyan mga walang ilong eh. Ako yung tono. Kailangan pa ilong para medyo kaya yung tono.
Lagi ka pa niya.
Talaga nagtatayilan na lang.
Magpakailanman ang isang
Bakit hindi kasi naglabas ng tigas? Wala ka ng gana. Nakanak. Ayaw ka na lang.
pagkakalawan
Bakit naglabas ng tigas?
tayo ang man.
Di ba kaya?
Ayaw na. Napiyok pa yan. Sanayaw mo. Napiyok pa yan. Gawin mo. Isanayaw mo. Yung next, saka natin yan ha. Okay, ba't na?
Oo nga, wala na. Hindi maglalabas na takot tayo. Hindi
Walang ibang bansa sarap sa pagtitingin natin. Sa daan iba mabutas itong awit ng pag-ibig. Awit natin, pagbuti na huwag mong kalimutan. Pangako ko naman, palagi kang mag-iingat. Magpakailanman ang isang pag-ibig
Wi-Fi daw.
Ay, parang lang sa
Sabi na makatay ko. Ito na.
Kaya't saan awit tayo parang ligaya. Awitin mo at isasayaw mo.
Kuya.
Awitin mo at isasayaw mo. One high, oh, di ba? Ano sinasabi ko eh? Wala na nga ba sinasabi ko eh? Oh, masarap yung cake. May mint siya. Mat,
Dapat na mga viewers, pangatot tayo ng viewers.
But for you, they shine in your eyes as the trees reach for the sun
Bata ko dito na.
above. So my arms reach out to you for love. With your hand resting in mine, I feel the power so divine. You're my words, you are my life, and for me. Binago yung Put your hand resting in mine. I feel the power so divine. You're my world, you are my life, my day. You're my world, you're every prayer I say.
you remember? Hey, the 21st night, September.
Konti lang. Mamaya naman.
Hindi ko ikaw.
Naka-alarm yung anak mo.
I was back. Yeah, I wanna be.
I was petrified. Continue out and never leave.
Chips ko kay Ate yan.
But they spent so many nights just thinking how you did me wrong. I grew strong. I learned how to get along. I showed them back from my space. I just walked into my here and I tried to find your feet. I should have made you stupid down. I should have made you read your feet. I don't know what's just 1 second. You'll be back to bother me. God, now go. Walk out the door. Just turn around now. For sure not welcome anymore. But you're the one who tried to hurt me with the body. Did I crumble? Did I lay down the time? Know that I will survive. Oh, as long as I know how to love, I know I'm still alive. I got all my life to live, and I got all my love to give, and I'll survive. I will survive. Hey, hey. May bumpak pa tayo.
Punuan.
So close forever, not to fall apart. Keep trying hard to never miss and stop my broken heart. And as I told so many times, just feeling sorry for myself, I used to cry. But now I hold my head up high and you see me, somebody new. I'm not just chained up in a person, still in love with you. And so you're flowing, coming in and just expect me to be free. Now I'm saving all my love for someone who's loving me. Go, now go, walk out the door. Just turn around now, 'cause you're not welcome anymore. Heard you the one who tried to hurt me with your body. Think I crumble, you think I lay down and die. I know that I will survive. Oh, as long as I know how to love, I know I still alive. I got all my life to live, and I got all my love to give, and I'll survive. I will survive. I will survive. Just turn around now. Show me that the anymore. You're the one who tries to hurt me with goodbye till you crumble. You think I lay down and die? I know that I will survive. Oh, as long as I know how to love, I know I still alive. I got all my life to live, and I got all my love to give, and I'll survive. I will survive. Yeah, yeah. Water ka. Kanta ka, anong mga...
September 8.
Oh, ganda yan.
Do you remember? The 21st night, September.
Ganda ng boses ni mo.
Alam ko.
Yan ang anak ko payabang. Nagmana sa tatay.
O tamo, lagi na lang eh. Sabi ko naman sa'yo eh. Baka naman na yan ha.
Ikaw ang makuha dyan.
Ito kasi niya sinisigawan niya.
Hindi na yung coincidence ha. Talagang totoo na yan.
September.
Huwag ako videoan. Malinawan na video. Do you remember 21st night, September? Love is changing tonight, defenders. But it's chasing the clouds away. Our heart is singing, that we are the song of the singing of the dancing tonight. Remember?
Ano nga ulit?
Maria, 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 Maria. I don't know English, only can read you, want to see you. Only do the remember, all the love you start to stay. Not December, got the love that you share. September, only you got the love. Remember, you will love and start today. Badia, say it to remember. Badia, dancing in September. Badia, I was just about today. And we say Badia, Badia, Badia. Dancing in September. Badia, never miss a cloud today. Do you remember memories night and day? We say Badia, say that you remember Badia, dancing in September. Badia, never know the cloud today. And we say Badia, say that you remember Badia, dancing in September. Badia, golden is your time today. And we say Badia, 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 Badia. Badia, Badia, Woo! Sing next. Ulit din na.
Bumaba. Wow. Second. Wow. Feel it. Being second to me. Ano lang nga ba yan? Ayan. Ha? Pag mga dahil yung 100, ikaw na tinatanungan. Fill me up, balik up, baby, just to let me down. You let me around in the world so cold. You never told me when you say you will. But I love you, I need you more than anyone, darling. You're more than I have from the start. So fill me up, buttercup, don't break my heart. Over again, it'll be time and again, but you're late. I'll make you run again. I answer the door again. Hawa-hawa again. Hawa-hawa again. Baby, baby, I try to find a little time, and I'll make you happy. I'll be home. I'll be beside the phone waiting for you. Why do you feel me up? Buttercup, baby, just to let me down. Let me alone and you are so wrong. You never come baby when you say you will. But I understand, I need you more than anyone, darling. You're all that I have from the start. So fill me up, buttercup, don't break my heart. You are my star, but I could be more than a door. I'm sure you let me know. I'm true, I'm attracted to you all the more. Hey, but you leave me so. Baby, baby, you gotta find a little time, and I'll let me hurt and I'll be home. I'll be beside the phone waiting for you. Ooh, ooh, ooh. the blood. You see? It's in the blood. Yeah? 3 times in a row. It's in the blood.
Wala na pala kung ano.
O, tama. Wala na. Nasira. Puro siya 100. Nasira.
Ano yung team song ng Pinoy Big Brother? Pinoy ako, ako'y
Ay,
Pinoy, ano?
Pinoy ako ata. Pinoy ako. Pinoy tayo.
Yun,
Puro kayo nakatono. Hawa-hawa lang. Nasa jeans. Sinasabi, nasa jeans. Sinasabi ko.
Ba't sa kape,
Oh, yeah.
Anong title mo? Pinoy ako?
parang Pinoy ako.
Uy.
Ikaw ano?
Yun.
Or ako'y Pinoy. Basta may nakalagay Pinoy Big Brother.
Sasaya.
Yung kumanta siguro. Yung kumanta ay...
Talagang last song syndrome LSS ka.
Yung dalakuan.
Hindi bago ito eh.
Orange.
Aguilar? Ay, hindi.
Hindi, orange and
Oh,
lemon.
Ayan.
Ours
Yan
yun,
ata yan.
Oo.
Yan ata.
Orange 7.
Tono nyo lang ha.
Two,
Wala na, hindi na uso yung
Three.
tono. Ano ka ba?
7,
Millennial na millennial. Wala na tono ngayon.
Yes? Ano daw? Mas candy daw.
Parang tubig na yun.
Pinoy ako.
Ano yun? Dalawa.
Pinoy.
Yung dalawa daw is candy.
Dalawa is candy.
Mapis yung pera.
Parang ito na ito.
Lahat tayo'y mayroong pagkakaiba. Sa tingin pa lang nakita na iba't ibang kagustuhan kung sa patutunguhan.
Wala ka piso.
Gabay at pagmamahal ang hanap mo. Magbibigay ng halaga sa iyo. Nais mong ipakilala kung sino ka na talaga. Pinoy, ikaw ay Pinoy. Ipakilala sa mundo kung ano ang kaya mo. Ibang-ibang Pinoy, huwag kang matatakot. Ipagmalaki mo, Pinoy ako, Pinoy tayo.
Nanalo niya na? Stop.
Basta magpagka totoo. Okay, ako rin. Hindi ka masyado alam sa'yo.
Ito, sabi tayo.
Refrain na to. Gabay at pagmamahal ang hanap ko. Magbibigay ng halaga sa iyo. Nais mong ipakilala kung sino ka na talaga. Pinoy, ikaw ay Pinoy. Ipakita sa mundo kung ano ang kaya mo. Ibang-ibang Pinoy, huwag ka matatakot. Ipagmalaki mo, Pinoy ako, Pinoy tayo. Talagang ganyan ang buhay. Dapat ka nang masanay. Walang nangyayari kung nakikinig bagay. Kaya po, no? Ipakilala ang iyong sarili. Walang iyong nangyayari. Ang lagi mong iisipin, kaya tayong gawin. Oh, Pinoy, ikaw ay Pinoy. Ipakita sa mundo kung ano ang kaya mo. Ibang-iba
ang Pinoy, huwag kang matatakot. Ipagmalaki mo, Pinoy ako, Pinoy tayo.
Bago ako umuwi, magti-tiktok tayo.
Ano yung TikTok?
Ting, 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 ting. Ano yun? Ting, 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 TikTok. TikTok. Ano yung ganun? Ting, 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 tang, ting, ting. Ting, 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 ting. Ano yun? Nakalimutan ko sa step mo. Makakatulog ka pa nun. No. Okay, nakapause na siya. Isip na kayo. Isunod yung mga ito. Ang oras ka. Sa pangkanta, oh. Hindi bago tayo mag-tiktok, hanapin ko na kanino. Pero nga kung gustong kanta yung isang sayaw, hindi ko makuha yung step. Tan-taranante. Basta maganda yun.
Ito bang masaya ka? YMCA.
Why?
YMCA.
Damay. As kinabitiba. Yung tanda. Donalyn. What kind of Donalyn? Bartolome? Wait, kung mo siya ganang kanta.
Wala mo.
Kanta ka pa, ano? Ito, oh.
Ano yan? Sabay-sabay tayong sasayaw?
Oo. Wow, so yun eh. Madali lang to.
Ay, mahirap pa.
Hindi, madali lang. Sabi niya, hindi niya sayawin yun. Nasa step niya sa TikTok. Ganyan yung
Nasayaw ko na to eh. Ah, sige.
Yun. Sana ay sana yung puso.
Ganun lang oh. Ano? Ano tayo? TikTok. TikTok tayo dyan sa loob.
Magkakanta ka ba?
Wala namang YMCA eh.
Meron, yung W ka pupunta.
Bakit W?
Wait,
Sorry. Ang nagulo ako doon ah. YMCA napunta na sa W. Apa, diba? Ayun na, wala diba? Hindi, nandun ako sa'yo kanina eh. Wala, puro yun.
Baka konti lang yung sawa.
Hindi mo yun. Ayun na, oh. Why? Oh. Element O.
Sumpang, sumpang.
UIC.
Baka sa pinakauna.
Ayun. 3721. Kasi natamos ng ilong eh.
3, 7, 2,
Sige, anong
1.
suma? Again. Ano ba?
Ay, wait, ay, ano ko yun?
Sabayan mo, dali. Sabayan mo.
Hindi ka adam ka. Baka pa tayo nangyari ko na.
Diba?
Ano, may pa na ulit.
There's no holding you down, I said, yaman. Hey, beat yourself on the ground, I said, yaman. Cause you're not gonna down and say, to be unhappy, yaman. There's a place you can go, I said, yaman. When you're sure on your own, you can't stay there. And I'm sure that we'll find many ways to have a good time. It's fun to stay at the YMCA. It's fun to stay at the YMCA. Every day, when you have to enjoy, you can have what you want. It's fun to stay at the YMCA. It's fun to stay at the YMCA. You can get yourself in, you can have a good meal, you can do whatever you feel. Young man, are you listening to me? I said, young man, what do you want to be? I said, young man, you can make up your own, just have to know this one thing, no man. doesn't follow himself. I said, young man, put your heart on the shelf, then let's go there. To the YMCA, until they can help you today. It's time to stay at your YMCA. It's time to stay at the YMCA. Then I'll never do it. Tell you what to enjoy. You can have it all the boys. Stay at the YMCA. It's time to stay at the YMCA. You can get yourself in. You can have a good meal. You can do whatever you feel. Young man, I was lost in your shoes. I said, come on. I got out with the blues. I felt no man. Get up either alive. I felt the whole world was so tired. Someone came up to me. I said, young man, don't go walk up the street. There's a place there. Go the YMCA. They can start you back on your way. It's time to stay at your YMCA. I start to stay at your YMCA. They have everything for your mental enjoy. You can hang out with all the boys. It's time to stay at your YMCA. It's time to stay at your YMCA. You can get yourself clean. You can have a good meal. You can do whatever you feel. YMCA, the final thing of the YMCA. You can get yourself clean. You can have a good meal. You can do whatever you feel. One, two, one, one, two.
Ganyan. Tapos ganyan. Ganyan. Tapos kawayan. Wala na gagawin. Tik-tik-tik na lang. Tik-tik-tik. Tik-tik. Ay, si Juju na. Tik-tik. Tik-tik na. Wala ka lang tik-tik.
Do you ever feel like a passing man?
Mahika.
Wait, just alam mo yung katoya. Do you ever feel
Alam, kita naman na yun.
Tatay ko na. Nakalimutan ko ko to.
Kasi yung pala yung artista, di ba ito, di ba? 1, 2, 3, 4. Tapos, ano sunod doon? 1, 2, 3, 4. Pwede ko lang sa kwarto eh.
Let's go na.
Maganda pa yung children's park. Ang pangit mo ito. Ganun lang, tapos ganun. Tapos ganyan. Tapos ganun. Tapos ako nagtitang ako. Yun lang. 1, 2, 3. Match mo yung SB19. 1, 2, 3. No, yung what? Basta what? W, hanapin mo yung W dyan. Hanapin mo yung what?
Mapa.
May mapa ba dyan?
Sige natin.
Sige, hanapin mo. Magtikilang
A, B,
ako.
C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J.
K, L, M, N, O, P. N muna. Muna bago N. May bahay. Shipping fee. Ay, paano to? Paano? Teach us.
Ikaw.
Uwi na.
Ay, no.
Magti-tiktok pa tsaka kakanta.
Ha?
Basta na di na
Alas 4:30 daw.
Eh, poster, di mo sinusend eh.
Lista, so
Ano? Mahirap yun eh. Wala na yung Discord.
never gonna keep.
Ano, what? W, hanapin mong W.
Type of journey.
Okay, what na lang. 8,
Ay no! Bazinga! Bazinga! 20469. 246 ano? 20469. Bilis!
Oh!
Ano ulit? 20469. Ikaw na yan.
2, 0, 4,
6.
6, 9, 0, 0, 0, 0.
Kakanta pa eh.
Kaya mo yun!
Paano pa ba?
Hindi ba siya pwede yung pag-ehat? Kasi ito, para kita lahat. Pero parang wala pa ako nakita sa TikTok. Ito, Google for IPC.
Wala ka ba masasaya
Bazinga!
sa pagtitingin natin?
Pero try mo nang matumpa kayo.
Saan bawal sila bakit nangawitin awit natin ay buklod magkalimutan pangako ko naman palagi ka pakikinggan mapagkailan ka pag-isang kawitin